everyone. Today I'm going to explain you the fifth experiment for the database lab, and fifth experiment consists of subqueries and correlated subqueries. So here is the questions, and we are in the spool file. So the first question is to retrieve the name of the students enrolled for a course. So as you can see, subquery is nothing but a query inside another query. Here is the outer query, and here is this select inquiry number is the inner query. So what it does was, this inner query selects the inquiry number from the enrollment table, and those inquiry numbers will be returned as an input for this inquiry number, and checks and if their and selects the F name of their inquiry numbers and prints them out. It is the first name who enrolled for this course. Since the people are enrolled for a course, they have an inquiry number in the enrollment table, so that the people who have an enrollment table, their names will be printed. The second one is to display details of the inquiry made between 1st Jan and 1st December. So I need to display the details, so I use the star from the inquiry table, which has all the details of it, and the inquiry date and select inquiry. So here this select inquiry date from inquiry my table, where inquiry date between 1 Jan and 1 December is going to return a set of dates which will be an input for this inquiry date, and those dates, people who have those between those days, will their details will be printed. So it's just Anil and Sachin. Those people have the dates birthday between 1st Jan and 1st December, and those rows are given as an output. Next is to display the name of the people enrolled for Java. So for the name of the people, I print F name from the inquiry table, where course code is equal to course code from the course table, where course is Java. So it selects the course code from the course table. The course name is Java, and that is given it, and that is like an input for this course code, and checks the condition, and if it's equal, the F name is printed. So, and Sachin is one of them. And display the student's name living in the city Bombay instead in course name Oracle. So select the first name just same as this, and where I get the city is equal to 0, and the course code same as this, where instead of the course code I use the course name which has a course code. So where course code is Oracle, that course code is returned, and that course code is compared with this course code, and if it's equal, and if it's, and since we use the AND operator, and if the city is CBE for the student, the name is printed, which is Anil. Next, display the name of the students having city same as Raja. Now here it's a bit complicated. Then I need to select the first name from the inquiry table, EN. I give an anonymous name, where but it says select EN2. EN2 is the inquiry table inside the subquery, and EN1 is the inquiry table outside the subquery. So I select the name from the inquiry table inside the subquery, where F name inside the subquery is equal to Raja, and city is equal to the same city in the outer inquiry table. If that's equal, the name is printed. Since nobody has the same city as Raja, no rows are selected. And the sixth one is the name of the student who has inquired all the courses. So I select the name of the student from inquiry table where exists. It said if that variable exists, print those names. So if that exists, course code, if any person, any course code exists who has a course code both 10 and 20, any student who has a course code both 10 and 20, then that name is printed. Since each student has a different course code, no names are printed and no rows are selected. Name course code is deleted by all the students. Same as the upper one, I select the name of the course name, and if the course code and course code both are taken, then the name is printed. Since each course has course name and a different course code, no rows are selected. Next is to display the name of the students with their city as CBE, course Java, and batch code as 1 of 1. I want to select the first name from the inquiry table when inquiry is CBE, and I use ERD, and the course code is equal to as course code as the batch code 1. When it's returned, it's going to return the course code who has the batch code from the batch table as 101, and that course code is compared with the outer one, and the name is printed according to the condition. The name is Sachin. And this is it for the fifth lab. Thank you.